Okay, so today is time for some spring cleaning. I've got quite a mess and I want to get a couple projects done, and with this mess it's just pretty much impossible. So before I start some projects, it's time to clean up, try and get things organized, and my table's a mess. I mean, everything's a mess. Trying to do too many things at once. So I'm going to get all this cleaned up. I'm going to finally get my table over here cleaned off and moved over somewhere. Tear down a couple more of these shelves, and then I'm going to take down this top shelf. Thinking about taking off one side of this bottom shelf and moving my table over here. Probably take down these top shelves, and a lot of stuff I'll just store in some boxes for now until I can get some place for them. You can see I started some of my tool stuff a few days ago. So I'm just going to clean everything off, store it in the boxes, and then as I go along I'll start putting some stuff away. But in the meantime I'll have some area to get some of these projects I want to get done. For one, I want to get the dust collector all set up. I've got it assembled, but today I went and bought a trash can and some supplies to make a separator. I want to get the air filtration system built. So tearing down some of these shelves will give me some materials to build that. So yeah, I'm gonna get busy. I'm not gonna film cleaning up because I don't think anybody's interested in that. But I'll give it a shot. A little video after I'm all done. Moved everything around, taking stuff down, kind of get an overview of what all I've done. And then hopefully we can get to building some stuff. So I'll see you guys in a little bit, thanks to video magic, but for me it's going to be probably quite a while. So I'll bring you guys back here in a little bit. Okay, so I said I wanted to clean everything up before I start my projects, and I got this whole table cleaned off, so that was a good thing. Got all my shelves taken down. That was good. Got all my extra boards here that I want to use for projects. But you know, I started cleaning this up, and this is all stuff that I actually have for projects. All my spray cans, well, not all of them. This is only a small bit of my paints and glues and adhesives and everything else. So I'm going to build my separator, get that going, get my table saw, get some sort of box hooked up for that to put my dust collection on. There's a hood right there. And then I'll probably get one of the fittings for the bandsaw and get that hooked up so that I can start cutting pieces and hanging them up and getting them out the way. So I think that's what I'm going to do first, get the separator going, and then I'll continue cleaning up and then hanging stuff up and moving stuff around, and hopefully just kind of going back and forth, everything will come together. So this is where I'm at for now. All my tools that I don't use are in that box right there. Well, the tools I don't use often. And there is a lot of automotive stuff. I have oil and steering fluid, and I think there might be some paints in there. This little box has all my drill stuff, my drill bits, Forstner bits. So So yeah, I got this whole area cleaned out, but my shop vac's over here, some scrap wood, and of course my trailer. So as soon as I get this table moved over, which is whenever I get to it, I think I'm going to put the trailer there, get this corner cleaned out, and build some sort of, well, I won't have to build some sort of dust collection, because I want to build dust collection off my planer, but I don't know. I'm not 100% sure on what all I'm doing, but I'm just going to take it one step at a time, and right now that step is to get the separator going, so I can have some dust collection, so I can cut some pieces. So anyways, catch you guys later.